So it pleases me to be in front of you brothers here in what has been called the conference discussing the names and attributes of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But in reality, we want to change that. We want to move away from what is known as muhadarat or talks. Because in reality, that was a tariqah or a method that we had years ago. But alhamdulillah, as you see, the Salafi community has grown quite large and has developed. And as such, we've moved on to the correct or the more ahsan tariqah, or the better methodology in regards to delivering knowledge, which is to teach and to read through the mutun, the texts. This is the way the scholars teach. This is the way that we studied. So this is the way that we must really deliver, inshallah ta'ala. So as I heard our brother Abu Khadija Hafidhullah mention, that this means that the brothers and the sisters should really have with them the aqlam with the awraq, pen and papers. Because this is not a muhadara. I'm not here to shout or to scream or like a khutbah. But I'm here to read, inshallah ta'ala, with you some of the words of Ahlul Ilm, and that we may benefit together and to develop together, inshallah ta'ala. And as some of the Salaf used to say, qayyidul ilm bil kitaba. Keep that knowledge or store that knowledge by writing it. And I know that many of you, mashallah, tabarakallah, your memorization, inshallah ta'ala, is strong because you're young and mashallah, the memory is sharp. But in reality, it can't be that sharp to get, to gather all that's been said. All that Abu Khadija said, all that I'm going to say, all that's the rest of the book is impossible. Unless you've got the memory of Shaykh al-Islam, Ibn Taymiyyah rahimahullah ta'ala. So, as a result, I encourage the brothers and the sisters to bear this in mind when sitting in gatherings like this, that we want to try to develop and move on from the muhadara type of stage to the learning stage. The stage where knowledge is retained